What's up, guys? Here at Home Depot, they got these new toolboxes. Nice, 600 bucks. And look, guys, 12-volt drawer slides. Hang on. I'm in the middle of the aisle here. I see a power cord there from somebody else. It's a nice toolbox. That's 600 bucks. Two deep drawers. Roll back. There's all your specs. Now, guys, I like this box better than these boxes. Them there only have single drawer slides. This one here has double. And it holds weight pretty good. So, I don't know what this is back here. Maybe there's some kind of thing like this here that goes on there. I don't know. But it's a nice box, guys. 600 bucks, man. You can't beat it. It's a killer box for home use. I like that there. I really like that. So, alright, guys. Well, it's a quick Husky video. So far, even look at the casters. Casters look pretty cool. I don't know what the weight capacity is on that. Got locked, unlocked. So, I don't know what the weight capacity is on those casters, but guys, that's a nice toolbox for 600 bucks. So, like, share, subscribe, guys. Until the next time, bye-bye.